Cheese.
Only water at. Kaylin, no more water at night, okay?
Oh, she's having this recorded.
Kaylin, no more water at night, okay?
Okay.
Kaylin, are you gonna be a good girl?
Yeah, me.
Are you gonna go to sleep in a little bed from now on?
Not by myself.
Yeah.
I like Mitra.
Yeah,
like
just
Mitra.
yeah, like Mitra.
She sleep by herself in the crib.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she's younger than you too.
Can you sleep by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. And then can you wash your own hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna be a good girl?
Yeah. Help me put on my sunscreen and brush my teeth.
I can always help you do that. That's fine. But are you gonna cooperate and work with mommy?
Yeah.
Together.
Why do I have a
You
crib?
doing a testimonial? Man?
Pretty much.
Mommy, why I have a crib for me?
No, that's not for you.